Johnny got another one.
What's good, YouTube? What's good, gang? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Bye Finesse, and I'm super excited to actually get this project started. I'm gonna be walking y'all through everything that I'm doing, as in the drawing out, the prepping up for the wood and all of that, the epoxy, all that, and the painting and stuff. So I want y'all to actually see what I have to go through, because I know in some of those videos they don't really be telling y'all what they have to go through. But I'm going to be telling y'all, talking y'all through everything and showing y'all everything that we have to go through when we prep these projects. Now, this is my very first project, and I'm super excited. I'm super excited. I don't even know what to say. I'm very hyped to get it done. And I just have the picture already, and I don't want to show y'all, but just know, y'all seen a thumbnail and y'all seen a title. Let's get on with this 3D dollar bill of Mr. Burns. All right, y'all. So y'all can see right now, the wood is ready. It's a little wet, but that's just at the top because that's the end that I finished off on, and it's primed. So basically, this is what I have. I'm gonna be doing the outline of this dollar bill. Now, I'm just gonna be doing the dollar bill itself, the dollar bill sign, and some of the stuff inside it. But I got other little projects that's also gonna go on top of this. So like, I still have to draw the face and then the corner points, which is this, that, and then I'm gonna draw something in the middle, like this dollar sign won't be there. And this is pretty much the build, the outlining of it. I still have to draw the face, and then I'm gonna draw each and every corner. All right, so I cut it out, and this is how I know that I need a bigger, thicker board. This is only 1/4, and y'all can see around the edges when I cut it, it started doing that. So this is the 1/4, so I need it a little thicker so it don't do that. And you see some of my art, it chipped away. But I'm going to try to correct it. There's one of my projects, which y'all see, look. I didn't get to the line, but as I was going close to it, it was chipping away at that wood. Like down here, got some of my art. We're still going with the progress. Not even done yet. I gotta sand these down, because ain't no way I'm painting that. Definitely gotta sand it down, and then I'm gonna have to paint it so it can look cleaner, because this is not clean at all. But then again, y'all, this is my first project. I've never done this before. Look at it eat away with all that wood. You know, the other guys that did this epoxy cutout art, they don't show you what they have to go through. They just get it done, and then boom, it's finished. Now I'm gonna show y'all through the whole process, where we're gonna have to go get some thicker wood. But this is just one project, and then this is just 2 cutouts of something else. This is the bill. That's how the bill came out. And I kind of messed this up because like a string, y'all see the string? And when I went to go pull it, it's just messing it up. So I need to cut it off. But this is why I need a thicker board, because that string just messed that up. So I'm gonna have to like cover this to make this a little bit more cleaner. But that's the bill, the dollar bill cut out. Okay, as y'all can see, I sanded it down. It's smooth. You know, I told you that that jigsaw was eating up that wood, so I did the best I can fixing it. But it's about to get prepped for painting. Here go my other 2 projects. It is smooth. I sanded it down. Just don't look smooth, but it's definitely smooth. I can run my fingers across it. All right, so far I got the 4 fish on $1. And I have to paint the dollar green, and then I have to put Mr. Burns in the middle. But what y'all think about that? Still, I'm not finished because I gotta somehow glue and make it a 3D effect on top of the dollar. All right, y'all, so I prepped the wood this morning, and I've already dripped the stencil out. Now I'm just about to cut it out. All right, so as y'all can see, it's already cut out, and now I'm prepping it for paint. So this is my finished product of Mr. Burns. Y'all see I got that shadow. That was crazy hard. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know what to use, a different paint with the mixed paint or what. So yeah, that's Mr. Burns. All right, gang. So the finished product, it's already done painted. It was prepped. Y'all can see that line at the top, but the video shows it. Once I put Mr. Burns on there, I don't think y'all see it because Mr. Burns is pretty big. We're almost there. Last but not least is to figure out how I'm gonna glue the fishes and Mr. Burns on there to make that 3D effect. Then I'm gonna epoxy it. So y'all, Mr. Burns head, y'all see how big he is? He's gonna go on the dead center. Each fish gonna go on each end. And tomorrow we're gonna figure out if I gotta cut and glue some stuff before I epoxy it. Now I cut out these pieces so I can glue them together, and then I start stacking the fishes on top of this. Each fish is gonna get 4 little tiles. Now these tiles aren't even or anything because they're gonna get glued, so you're really not gonna see these. So they're not gonna get glued, and they're gonna get glued, but they're not gonna get painted or none of that. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna glue these tiles together on the board before we epoxy it, because I don't want to epoxy it and then glue it and then something goes wrong. So we're gonna glue all this first, and then we're gonna stick everything together, and then we're gonna epoxy. Okay, now I'm about to pour the epoxy on top of Mr. Burns' face. I'm gonna have to pour another coat on here. It's not enough. Okay, the epoxy is all over artwork. Make sure it's even. That's one coat. So y'all can see that. I'm gonna go get the heat gun. Get it done. So I added another coat of epoxy because when I lean to the side, you can see like those air bubbles or whatever. So that's 2 coats. So 2 coats will be perfect. Now I got my heat gun and I'm about to dry it. So this is the 2nd coat already. That's looking good, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. We come outside. Here's Mr. Burns. He's still drying off. And then I got my other 2 projects at the bottom. The donuts. They're already done. About to start on my next project. So basically this is how everything's gonna play out, right? I've already put the wood on there. As y'all can see, the wood is glued. It's glued. So I'm gonna epoxy those first before I stick them on there. And then I'm gonna epoxy the dollar itself. But that's pretty much how everything's gonna play out. Mr. Burns is still drying off. He's gonna go in the dead center, epoxied. So the dollar's gonna get next epoxied, and then I'm gonna epoxy them. So as y'all see, the dollar bill is already done. It's completed. I just have to stick Mr. Burns on top. Mr. Burns is behind him. And y'all see I got the wood on here too. It's glued on there. So that's how I'm gonna mount each and everything on top to make it a 3D effect. And that's how Mr. Burns is gonna go on there. He's gonna go on top, which makes it a 3D effect. And each and every fish is gonna go on the corners. So guys, I finally finished the product. Let me turn it around and show y'all what the complete looks like. Y'all, when I say I'm excited, look at this. Look at that. This is my first project. My very first project is a 3D Mr. Burns dollar bill, y'all. Can you believe that? Look. Look what I did. Yo, this is lit. I don't even know if I want to sell this, but whoever come with the funds, you can have it, and I'll just make another one. What y'all think? I need somebody to rate it. Let me know in the comment section down below, like, which one should I do next? This is crazy. I can't believe I did this, y'all. I can't believe I did this. All right, gang, so after watching that entire video, some of y'all probably skipped it. I don't care. It's just a little project that I want to get into, little business thing I want to put on the side. I do want to make cardboard or wood or whatever the hell you want to call it, the epoxy art. I want to do that now. Now I'm trying to, after doing this, and it took 5 days to do it, and it's like time consuming because of the epoxy part, and then I don't got tables. So I feel like I want to get into like maybe some coasters, or I want to do like some tables for some kids. Like I might be thinking about doing a Coco Melon table for my daughter, you know, because there ain't really a lot of Coco Melon stuff out there. But like creating her a Coco Melon table, she about to go like nuts for. So I might get into table, or who knows? I don't know. I'm just super excited to actually start this journey of epoxy art. And I've been seeing a lot of people do some epoxy art, and I kind of want to do something different. I'm good with drawing cartoons, so I'm going to show y'all how creative I can get. So I have been posting on my shorts the cartoons that I have been doing, which it was a breakdown of Mr. Burns' dollar bill. So I don't know what I'm going to do next. I do got another wood project that's coming out, but I want to do multiple on this wood project because it's a big one and I don't have to use the whole board. So I hope y'all continue to watch. I hope y'all, I thank y'all for my new subscribers too. I seen the videos are blowing up. It's getting real. It's getting good. I probably won't be posting a lot of these like epoxy videos, but I don't know. I don't know if y'all like the epoxy videos. I'm just putting videos out there for y'all. I'm mainly regular blog videos and motivation. But you know, since I'm doing these projects, I can like talk y'all into like, you know, I'm gonna do this, that, and that, and how I do it. But I love y'all, gang. Thank y'all for watching the video. I'm out. Peace.
My nigga Johnny got another